The quick summary is go to the creator's channel home tab, scroll to the appropriate section. If they have a multiple playlists section, you'll be able to tap or click the section title or view all, depending on what options you see. It'll bring you to another page and pop-up box so you can scroll through multiple playlists. If you want to see it on different devices, I'll walk you through in a moment. Otherwise, that's the summary. So I made piano syllabi repertoire playlists, which are organized on my channel home tab, but folks are having trouble finding them or assuming there are only 5 in a section rather than the over 45 and counting playlists that I've made so far, so let me show you where they are. On desktop, channel home tab, scroll to the section you want, in our case it's all the way down, click on the section title or view all. If you click on the arrows, you'll only see 12 playlists. On iPad, in the YouTube app, channel home tab, scroll all the way down, tap on the section title. There's no view all this time, and only 6 playlists are visible per section. On iPad, not in the app but using a browser, channel home tab, scroll all the way down, tap on the section title or view all. The arrows give us 12 playlists, similar to desktop. On a phone, in the app, channel home tab, scroll until you get to the last section title. If you scroll further, there are only 5 visible playlists per section this time. Tap on the section title. On a phone, but using a browser, channel home tab, scroll all the way down. This time it's 3 playlists with expanding section arrow that shows 12 playlists. We want to tap on the section title, which will bring up all of the playlists, and voila! Other ways to find the playlists are by searching playlist titles, which works on desktop. I have a dedicated page on my website for these playlists with links to YouTube and YouTube Music, a resource page, and a video index. And as always, links to everything I've talked about are in the description. I'm still working on this project, so I hope they're useful. Enjoy the music, and I hope you all have a lovely day. If you'd like to support this channel, I have 3 albums currently available to buy or stream. If you're looking for music resources such as this music theory zine or more ways to contribute, there are links in the description. As always, thanks for watching and happy music making.